ladies, and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. So I have always thought that most body oils are overpriced and overhyped and useless. So because of this, as an esthetician and a celebrity makeup artist, I've been advising women for my whole career, 35 years, that when it comes to body care, use a clean, non-toxic lotion or coconut oil, which also works quite well, for topical dryness, as well as taking a series of vitamins for better oils like omega-369, vitamin E, A, that kind of thing. But lately I've completely rewritten my own book, so this isn't the first time I've done this, and it's certainly not the last. I'm an experimenter. I love trying new things. I love research. So today we're going to talk about why I have swapped all of this for what, in my opinion, is the best body and shower oil products I've ever used. I've made 2 other videos on this company called Besque, and why I love their specific types of oils, why they're better, and I will link those videos below if you want more information. So having said that, I'm adding to my body oil obsession the Besque Fresh Lime and Green Mandarin Body and Shower Oil. They sent it to me and I am obsessed with it. And yes, we're going to dive deep today into the actual skin science of why our mature skin needs lipids, not just water. And also what my 30-second rule is all about, and why I like the citrus blend so much that I'm rolling in it every single day. Let's go. Okay, so let's talk about the biology of our skin after age 50. So I know you've noticed this, but things change. We navigate hormonal shifts, our skin's natural lipid production declines, our skin barrier thins. It makes it incredibly difficult to hold on to moisture. I have noticed this, I'm sure you have. This is why we can put on a standard body lotion and 2 hours later, your legs and arms look ashy and terrible, right? So traditional lotions are mostly filled with water, and it evaporates. So pure cold pressed oils, however, mimic the natural sebum that our skin is no longer producing. They don't just sit on top of the skin, they actually integrate into the intercellular matrix. And moisture and restoring that bouncy, radiant elasticity that we lose as we age. That's why they're so much more effective. Now, Besque designed this as a 2-step ritual. So that's what we're going to talk about here. And the chemistry here is actually, it's pretty brilliant. So step 1 happens in the shower or the bath, like the one behind me. Traditional body washes use harsh surfactants that strip all the lipids out of your skin, and it basically makes it more dry. So Besque, the shower oil, uses a base of sweet almond oil, evening primrose, and rosehip oils, combined with very gentle cleansing agents. So what happens is when it hits the water on your skin, it undergoes a process called emulsification. Don't you love big words? And what it does is it turns the rich oil into a silky cleansing milk that lifts away impurities without stripping your skin barrier, and it makes your skin feel amazing. So step 2 is the golden rule. This is a 60-second window. 1 minute of stepping out of the shower while your skin is still damp and your pores are receptive. Then you apply the body oil. So this traps the ambient moisture from your shower directly into the skin's stratum corneum. So that's why your skin will just look incredible and be hydrated for hours. Now, I know what some of you were thinking, because I thought it too. When I first looked at this, I thought, it's lime and mandarin. So isn't citrus irritating for sensitive skin? For delicate skin, isn't it irritating? So it's a good question. So many citrus products use synthetic fragrances for cheap, highly toxic cold-pressed citrus distillates that can cause reactions. That's why we have reactions to citrus. But the intelligent difference with Besque is that they use pure, unrefined essential oils, balanced meticulously with soothing botanical bases. So green mandarin is unique because, unlike other citrus oils, it is not phototoxic. Combined with the grounding, earthy note of basil essential oil, the scent is beautifully sophisticated, fresh, and uplifting. It's not overpowering like a synthetic perfume. I hate synthetic perfumes. I'm sure many of you feel the same way. So personally, my skin can be reactive. So I have had absolutely 0 issues with redness or reactivity with this particular product, and my skin has been glowing and feeling amazing. Okay, let's talk about ingredients. So when you look at the ingredient deck, it is incredibly clean, which makes my skirts fly up. Evening primrose oil is exceptionally rich in gamma linolenic, I think that's the word, linolenic acid, or GLA. It's an essential fatty acid that declines significantly after 50. So rosehip oil delivers a natural vitamin A to support cell turnover and elasticity. It is purposeful, intelligent body care. So if you're ready to ditch all those lotions like me and genuinely feed your skin barrier, I would like to highly recommend giving the citrus ritual a try. I'm going to link besque below. So let me know in the comments, have you ever tried a shower oil? And what are your thoughts on this? Have you ever tried this kind of a mixture? I don't know. I'd love to hear from all of you. So thank you so much for watching Beauty Shaman. Have a great day and take care of your body.